the slot, he's taken a perfect centering pass. Score!
Markov's quick wrist shot surprised the goaltender in close.
Low stick side used to be an area that you shot all the time, but now that the goaltenders are in the butterfly, it's not as easy to beat, but this one...
Wonderful save on the redirect. Into the corner, no room for a pass. They score! A first one of the game, and it's early.
The reason you take a one-timer is not allowing the goaltender to get set, and that's exactly what happened. Once that puck hit the stick, it was off and in behind the goaltender.
Callahan's able to clear open.
Can he generate something from there? Let's go, Arister! They score! Wow, that's getting on the board fast.
You get to this high-scoring area, a wrist shot is a great choice.
Well, the goaltender wants to be aggressive here, but this is just perfectly delivered.
Cut on by with that one. Gets around him here. Steps between the circles. Great shooting position. He scores! Second of the game. What a performance.
Turris found himself with only one option in that high slot, and it was a one-timer, and he scored.
Carlson's able to clear open ice, and he lays a sweet saucer pass on the shooter's stick.
The Bruins shifting gears back in their own end. Hatchets one. Score! Chara.
Chara's in the high slot, and he rips home a slapper.
Luongo's reaction shows that he knew he was going to go up top with the shot, Eddie, but he just couldn't get there.
Good pass up the wing to Hoodler. Grab, great chance ahead. Score! Only one perfect goalie remains now.
Goaltender had no chance stopping that puck with the quick release.
Anderson's not going to stop that one, Edzo. It's delivered so perfectly just inside the post.
A bit more eye contact with the shooter.
Passing one off now to Lupul. Oh, that's good. Score!
Kadri scored a lot of goals in this type of situation. This might be the best one ever.
Leonard's not able to keep up with the nifty deke. He seems like he's going to be able to smother the puck, but he's beaten up high.
One into another.
This guy can play any way he wants.
They score! A first one of the game, and it's early.
He had a lot of time to let go the big slapper, and he scored.
Unlike the glove side, the goalie doesn't have to catch this. He's just got to get his blocker on it. I don't know how he misses this one.